In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process multiple passport images automatically using n8n. By the end, you'll have a no-code workflow that accepts several images through a form, validates and resizes them for better OCR, extracts passport data with OpenAI, standardizes the output, generates QR codes, and delivers results on a completion page and by email. We'll start with the form trigger node. Think of this as your entry point. When someone submits a form with multiple passport images, this node catches the submission and kicks off the workflow. To keep things tidy, we then use a small code node to prepare the form data. This splits the uploaded files into individual items so each image can be handled separately, which helps prevent processing errors. Next, the split and batches node moves through those images one at a time. Processing them sequentially improves accuracy and avoids overloading your system. With each image in hand, we validate and optimize it. An if node checks whether the file is a valid image, and an edit image node resizes it to a clear, consistent resolution. That resizing step directly boosts OCR quality, and any non-image files are simply skipped. Now we convert the image into base64 using another short code node. OpenAI's OCR expects images in this format, so this is essentially translating the file into a language the API can read. With the image prepared, an HTTP request node sends it to OpenAI and retrieves structured JSON. From a typical passport, you can extract fields like the passport type, holder's name and nationality, date of birth, sex, place of birth, issue and expiry dates, the passport number, and the issuing authority. Because AI output can vary, we run a data standardization code node next. Here we clean and normalize formats, unify dates, convert names to a consistent style such as telex where needed, and classify passport status as valid, expired, or lost. Clean data makes everything downstream more reliable. With standardized fields, we create a QR code. A small code node assembles key details, such as passport number, name, and critical dates, into a URL for a QR service, returning a QR image that can be scanned to quickly access the information. Finally, we present and deliver the results. A grab image step prepares the processed images and QR codes, the form node displays them on the completion page, and a Gmail node emails the same package for easy record keeping. To keep your workspace understandable, add sticky notes throughout. Use them to label sections like form input processing, image pre-processing, data extraction and QR generation, and result aggregation. That's it. You now have an end-to-end passport processing workflow in n8n that's structured, automated, and ready for real-world use.